up? Goodness with Chef Vannessa. Today I have a really crispy and saucy recipe coming your way. We're using sweet tea's barbecue sauce. Let's get started. Okay, so up we have our beautiful shrimp right here ready to go. We're going to be using some flour, an egg, cornstarch, and some water for our tempura batter. And this is our scoring process. All we're doing is making incisions in all of our shrimp. That way, when it fries, we won't get any shrinkage, and our final shrimp product will be the same size as started, nice, big, and juicy shrimp. And to keep things consistent, make sure that you're creating those incisions on both sides. And up next, we're going to go ahead and make the batter for our tempura. So we're going to bring together some flour, some cornstarch, 1 egg, and some water. And we pretty much just want to mix everything together. There's nothing fancy about this tempura recipe. Very basic, very simple. And you don't want your batter to be too thick, so you can add water here and there, more so if you need to. Okay, our shrimp is prepped, our batter's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fry them. And simple enough, all we're gonna do is take each shrimp, dip them in the batter, toss them in the frying pan, and let them do its thing. Already start to see the airiness and the color change on our shrimp. That's what we're looking for. We want a nice, crispy, light texture. And they should be cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until the color starts to change. And these guys are starting to just pop up and just crisp up gloriously. Okay, so once your shrimp are done, I'm going old school here. I'm putting these babies on some paper towel so that we can render off some of that extra oil, let them cool off before I toss them in my barbecue sauce. Now the easiest way for me when I'm tossing something is just to add it to a bowl and then add your sauce after. So what I'm going to do is add my shrimp, pour over some of that good sauce, mix it up, and just kind of make sure that everybody has a little bit of that sauce on them. Give it a couple shakes, give it a couple tosses, whatever you need to do, add a little more, and then you're all done. You're ready to go. Now to finish off my tempura shrimp, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of freshness here. I'm just chopping up some green onions, going to garnish those over the top. Just add another fresh element to the dish. Okay, you guys, we're all done. Everything's ready to go. Let's eat. So, get some some sauce, some extra sauce on here. This sauce is really good. It tastes like barbecue sauce. We get that sweet barbecue flavor in it, but also some buffalo sauce comes in through there. It's very different, but it tastes really good. You guys should try this. Our tempura batter is on the thicker side. Normally when I eat my tempura, I prefer it to be a little bit lighter, a little bit fluffier when frying. So our batter is a little bit thicker. But other than that, I think everything pairs together really well. The shrimp is nice and sweet and soft. And then with that bite from the onion, the sauce, the barbecue sauce, just paired really well with the fried shrimp. I think it came out great. You guys should try it. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me today with today's saucy and sweet recipe. A huge thank you to Sweet Tea's Barbecue Sauce for providing some awesome flavor for our dish today. Follow me on Goodness Chef V on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we'll see you next week.